Mike,
20
so we
degrees.
shouldn't complain here.
No, I think we can
can't,
deal
right?
with a little bit of shower activity. Let's
Yeah.
take a look at what's happening, and then Melanie will check the impact those showers are having, if any, on traffic. Hopefully not much. A little bit of shower activity moving through the mid-state. Some heavier rain just missing us down to the south in northern Alabama. Some of that may try to sneak up across the Tennessee state line into southern Lincoln and Franklin counties. Otherwise, it's missing us. A few showers here and there, but nothing around Metro Nashville right now. Things have been drying out over the past couple of hours. A little sprinkle on the radar just north of Murfreesboro, but sprinkle is about the extent of what you're going to see this morning. A few showers moving from Bedford County into Coffee County. A little batch of showers here from Smith County into Jackson County. Otherwise, things are starting to dry out, and that's the trend that will continue through the rest of the day. The individual showers are moving from west to east. The whole area of rain being pushed farther and farther down to the south. So by late morning, southeastern Middle Tennessee, you'll still have a chance of showers at that point, but even that's going to be off the radar as we head into the afternoon. And by drive time this evening, partly cloudy skies. So despite the overcast conditions right now, still grab the sunglasses on the way out the door because you'll need them later on in the day. Current temperatures are in the upper 60s and low 70s, mostly low 70s right now. Most of us are between 70 and 72. We're exactly 72 degrees right now in Nashville. Looking outside from the WeatherBug Network and seeing plenty of cloud cover out there so far this morning, even a little bit of fog in the distance. But again, the skies are going to gradually clear out as we head towards midday. Partial clearing by lunchtime with temperatures climbing up from around 70 right now to around 80 by noon. The showers moving out of southern Middle Tennessee by lunchtime and into the early afternoon hours, and temperatures will climb up to the mid 80s this afternoon. The humidity will be noticeably lower by late this afternoon as well, thanks to that northwesterly wind bringing the drier air towards us. And that's going to continue to settle in tonight and throughout the day tomorrow. I mentioned in the last segment that we do have some trouble brewing in the tropics, at least potential trouble. Potential tropical cyclone number 2 is way out in the Atlantic Ocean. That one's going to skirt along the northern coast of South America. This one in the Caribbean, that's a bigger deal for us. The National Hurricane Center estimates an 80% chance it's going to develop into at least a tropical depression, which is the lowest category, over the next 48 hours. And then if it develops into a tropical storm, that's when it gets a name. The whole center of this thing expected to make landfall on the Gulf Coast, somewhere between Houston and the panhandle of Florida. That's a pretty wide range there. The National Hurricane Center is going to send out a hurricane hunter later on today to see what's going on, and hopefully once they get that data, we'll be able to narrow down the range of possibilities a little bit. The bottom line for us is it doesn't matter exactly where the center is. There's going to be a whole bunch of moisture that's going to surge up towards us by the end of the work week and over the weekend. How fast it clears through is kind of one of the question marks about it. And we're not going with a 100% chance of rain for that time frame at this point, just because it's a long way down the line. There's a lot that can change between now and then. But if you have any outdoor plans in the works for the weekend, I would start working on an indoor alternative because that Gulf moisture can produce a pretty wet weather pattern this time of year. So we'll keep you updated throughout the week. We'll check Dagny's forecast coming up in about 7 minutes. Melanie?
All right, thank you.